Look, it's buns. I think that's a baby buns. Cottontail. Robin. He's eating my clover. Oh my God. I cannot believe the size of the bird that just flew over me. I swear it was an eagle. Did you see him all run? That was an eagle. That was not a vulture. And he was, oh my God, I wonder if the shadow shows on the video. Can I open the door without you coming here? And you think you're just gonna come in the house? Bring your bugs? I don't think so. Wow, that was pretty cool. The size of the bird was awesome. Mama, I can't do anything without some animal looking for help. Food, I should say. I usually feed them. She'll take them from my hands. Look at the garden after a hard rain. There's a peony popped. I saw either a sugar bush, or a black swallowtail on there. Butterfly this morning. I was just coming out to sit outside. It's so peaceful. Except for the fan behind me. Talk about red. And then you got your spiritual sunflower that points towards the sun. This one's trying to, but it's in a pot. If it wasn't, they'd all be facing that way. There's a very spiritual flower, sunflowers. Listen to Gary Clark, the guitar player. Flowers in the sun. No, not Gary Clark. Jeff. My brain is dead. It's a beautiful song. Is that my catbird? Where have you been? Jeff Buckley. Flowers in the Sun, I think it's called. Cat's gonna take a bath for us. Or Cat's gonna come over here. Too bad. I was hoping he was going to splash around. It's funny when he does it. Not in here. I gotta go before Mama gets here again. Ciao. Ciao for now. Enjoy your Friday. That's where I throw everything. And if they don't eat it, I rake it up. Oh, Mama's a pig. She grabbed two. You go, Mama, you go. Silly animals. Peace. And be wild.